Have you ever stared at a blank screen thinking you could create something amazing? What if professional design was just a click away? Meet Canvas, where it gives a drag and drop functionality for everyone, where you have to be like no limits, no jargon, just you unleashed. Hi, I'm Priyanka, software engineer from Geeky Ants. Welcome you to Geek Speak from Geeky Ants. In today's lessons, we will learn about why everyone is using Canvas, where you can design without limits, and it is also democratizing designs for everyone. So let us see what all things we can see in this canvas. From TikTok influencers to CEO, everyone are ditching design system just because of Canva's simplicity. Canva has covered everything where you can get in your tip of a tool. In 2013, Melanie Parkinsons with her team members made a discussion that why design tools have become so complicated, can we make a platform where it can be easily accessible for everyone? So, her question was, why is design software so complicated? And the answer was very simple. Canva is a tool with a design software where you can get everything what you want. Because of this, there are more than 100 million people using it every month because of its simplicity, easy to learn, drag and drop functionality, and AI editor. So all these facilities make interesting for everyone to use it. That is why we can proudly say a Canva is a 40 billion plus company earning nowadays. Now, let's talk about the evolution of the canvas. As we can see here, in 2013, Canva 1.0 was released, which has a very simpler design system like a drag and drop functionality and editors for the users. And when they have developed a pro for the teams in the year 2015 and 2020, they had an advanced collaboration with the team to create an effective design system like dashboards, templates, videos, audios, and so on. And then it came to another evolution of Canva video and documents in the year 2021 and 2023, which had got a multi-design system and a document creation environment. And lastly, we can see they have also added a Magic Studio AI in 2023 plus, where it was creating an AI-generated design workflows for all of us. So let us now see why a casual users to global business people all are relying on Canva empowering creativity without limits. So to understand that, let us dive into what makes Canva a game changer in this design world. So let us first understand the two main concepts. As we can see here, a Canva is a free-to-use online graphic tool which was launched in 2013 by Melanie Parkinsons. And the second thing, because of its fast-paced, unreliable, and vast design systems, it is more demonstrative and a lot of features are being used by TikTok influencers, social media users, and so many of them. So in this slide, let us give a demonstration on how you can create a design by just clicking it on a create a design, and you can also upload your existing documents into it, and just you can create your own template design systems. To make it more easier, they have also given a swap elements, puzzles, quizzes, images, animations, and so on. To understand that, let us look into the next slide. In this slide, we can see that you can create your animation easily by just clicking on to create the animation tool and create your animation effects by editing it however you want. Here, we can also see that you can add your own audios and videos to beat the sync with your template and the however you want to present it to the audience. Isn't it more comfortable and very effective? Yes, Canva has covered all these effective tools in its software system. If you want to create a creative content using the Canva software, here you can create your own template, or else you can pick up an existing template and edit it according to your requirements. If you want to select whatever things you have created in your design flow system, you can just mark them and use it in any devices, whether it's your desktop, laptop, mobile, tablets, and so on. To understand more about a real-time editing and commenting seamlessly, we can see in the next slide that if there are multiple a number of users, they can easily contribute to it. You can just give them an access for editing or viewing so that they can also view your work and contribute to it. It is that easy. Who is more obsessed, whether it's a social media, design content, or anyone? Yes, in this canvas, you can create your ultimate design system by using some graphics, animations, AI editor tool, and so on. In this slide, we can see that there is an option to remove the background remover and you can add your own animation for the background. So this will help you to create a very generous and making pretty things. It's all about your possibilities to create a beautiful background for your video. To deep dive even more, in this slide, let us understand what has Canva created and unveiled. In the first bullet point, we can understand that Canva has built a home for your brand, not only for us, but many social media influencers, business people, organizational people, as well as education systems. It has unlocked a creativity scale in its drag and drop facilities, AI additions, and so on. Design systems are so simple that even a common end user can understand and visualize instantly. Also, one plus point is about it is globally available and translatable. You can add your views in the audio, video in your own languages. It also helps you to shape your ideas, your creativity, and whatever awesome things you can add to make it more effective. And it help you to bring your stories into life because of its magic, right? In most of the places it is available. Also, there is one important thing Canva community has announced that whoever is obsessed with creating a design system, they can contribute to the Canva with their ideas and designs so that Canva will be rewarding them with the awards. So if you are interested, go ahead and make your own designs. In this slide, let us understand in which industries Canva is being popularly used. As we can see, when it goes to a higher educational system, it is accessible for the teachers and students for creating effective presentations for their projects so that they can bring out their inner creativity skills in this environment. Whether it's a non-profit organization, marketing and advertising companies, IT, education management, computer software, retail, internet, real estate, and religious institutions, everyone are reliable on Canva because of its easy facility because you don't need to pay for it. They are easily available design systems. Let's dive into another section where Canva has introduced Droptober with its amazing features available. Let's look into it. As you can see in this slide, Droptober is one of the amazing Discover latest launches Canva has introduced for all its users. Whether you are obsessed with the AI generations, Dreamlabs, it is all covered. You can just add those AI images into your slides, whether it is cinematic, dynamic, illusional, or any attractive image that can make more reliable. And one more thing, it has got a powerful visual suite where you can create with the help of your team. If you want to contribute to the whiteboard, you can also create an amazing sticky notes or designs in the whiteboard and showcase it. If you are interested in making a quiz polls, yes, even it has got a multiple quiz options where you can create it and make it more effective. If you are confused how to write the description, you are also being covered with the help of AI. AI will generate all the template with your effective writings. And it has also got a template where you can add your images, videos, audios, and create your own mock-up videos with for the help of your brochures and even more. It's all about Canva's feature and its future fun where you will enjoy creating the design system. Let us understand the case studies where, when it comes to education system, Canva has also tied up with many institutions for making it accessible for teachers, students, and professors. It boosts the productivity, as we can see in the Berkeley County schools. More than 1000 students are reliable on Canvas because it has saved their 1800 hours annually. So, in this case study, we understand that students who wants to demonstrate their different kind of a group projects, videos, posters, and even more, they can use this Canvas. When it comes to DocuSign is one of the software who recently got to know that because of the Canva, it has enabled them to use a scalable rebrand and empowering teams to create a constant on-brand content independently. And when it comes to Amazon, Amazon has also created a storefront where you can create your assets and launch them into your channel. To understand it, let us look into the next slide what all things it has been covered. When it comes to marketing ads, content schedulers, display design systems, email, whatever type of emails you are using, flipbooks, forms, logos, mockups, and print products, QR codes, and barcodes. Even if you're interested in social networking, everything is being embedded inside the Canva design system. Introducing Canva coding. Have you ever heard that Canva can do coding? Yes, I am right. With the help of the Canva, you can just give your description what you want to create. Canva itself will code for you in HTML, CSS, JavaScript languages. And once the code is being generated, as you can see on the screen, the code is getting generated for my dynamic chatbot. That's it. It has created you a chatbot with the online with where you can add a text and ask the questions in the chatbot. This is how simple it is using Canva. Once the chatbot UI is being created, you can also go into the show code section, copy the code and use it in your application wherever it is needed for you. Or else you can also go into a clipboards like whiteboard, document, presentation, and inside that you can paste your design and recreate it however you want your chatbot to look like using the available tools in the whiteboard like sketch pens, designs, shapes, lines, sticky notes, text. All these things can be used here to create your effective chatbot UI. So Canva is revolutionizing every day with its interesting prototyping and it is growing rapidly. To understand its impact, here in the screen we can see that there are a lot of prototypes we can see. Canvas have a whiteboard as we saw in a previous demonstration and a mock-up tools that will allow us to create an interesting ideation and a design prototyping. When it comes to team brainstorming, it is an effective tool where you can conduct your retrospective meetings or any kind of design competitions using these effective tools like whiteboard, wireframes, and visual concepts collaboratively. To accelerate its product development, it has been a very good usable for the startups, designers, marketers, social medias, and many more platforms are reliable because of its intuitional prototyping possibilities. It has also revolutionized the business tools by using and giving many such ideas like creating a resumes, invoices, reports, and if you are interested in creating newsletters, training materials for the business purposes, it's all available in Canvas. When you are doing an external marketing ads, campaigns, and event invites, it has got covered with a high quality output with the graphic design exports. Canvas ecosystem offers a diverse tools and arrays to understand its Pro ecosystem. When it comes to Canva Pro, it has given an advanced features for the teams and creators for creating an effective design tools. When it comes to Canva for the teams, it has got a collaboration as we saw in the previous slides. For the marketing people, it has got a collaborative social media platforms, emails, prototyping, and so on. Because of its reliable workflows, everyone are interested in creating their brand kits. When it comes to education, as we all know that in today's world, the children, students, and the working professionals, everyone are using Canvas because it is freely accessible for the teachers and the students. And if it comes to a non-profit organization, because of its easily available free premium tools and paid premium tools, even the social media people has been using this for years together. And as we can see in the organizations where we have a marketing team, everyone are using Canva because of its interesting design systems. In this slide, let us understand who are the more competitors and why Canva wins. Tools like Adobe Express, Trello, Vista Create, Figma, and FigJam all have been competitive in this world. But why Canva is so unique and special? Because easy to use, as we saw in the demonstration, those tools where drag and drop facility were given, and because of its huge template library, time consumption and time saved has been done. And also we can see it has got all-in-one platform with video, audio, and collaboration tools. And next thing, because of its active community support in the marketplace system, it has been a great support and inspiration for all the marketing people. And next thing, because of its versatile, beginner-friendly, and efficiently, we can say Canva wins everyone's hearts. Canva community is a vibrant and a dynamic ecosystem because of its large community. It has shared its design talents and its global audience. To centralize this, we can see it has created a template creators marketplace, and it has also created a program where everyone can share their templates, who can demonstrate their ideas in the Canva community, and they can earn by sharing only their templates. It has got huge social media groups in Facebooks, webinars, and whenever it has created a competitions for the design challenges, everyone took active participations so that it can boost its community strength. Since design tools have become invaluable tools from markets, education, marketing, and many social media content influencers, we can say that Canvas is the most affordable and usable for all of us because anyone can create a professional grade visuals without the need for an extensive design expertise. Because of its eye-catching advertisements and social media posts, everyone are being attracted, and because of its easily available fingertip tools, tools can empower creativity and innovation, enabling the users to communicate their ideas more effectively and efficiently. Thanks for hanging with us. If this video has sparked your inner creativity, then smash the like button and subscribe, and in the comment section, let us know what you are creating your next design. Until then, keep watching this more tech videos on GeekSpeak. And one thing you have to remember, the only limit is your imagination. Thank you.